What we're going to be doing today is making a radial design. So the first thing you need to do is get some scissors, a pencil, some paper, and something round. So I found this bowl in my kitchen. You want your bowl to be as big as you can. So the bigger you make it, the easier it's going to be to complete the assignment. So this one is almost as big as the paper. So I'm gonna set it on top and I'm gonna trace the circle. So our design is going to rotate around the center, and what we need to do is make little pie shapes out of it. Alright, so I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to cut the circle out. So just carefully cut around the edge. Just like that. So here's my circle. I'm gonna fold this in half. So I have my circle, I'm folding it in half, and I'm gonna fold it in half again. One more time. Crease the edges and open it up. He's going to use a ruler, and I'm going to outline my little pies. So after you're done folding, you're going to get 8 little pie shapes. So you can make 8 different designs. You don't have to do 8. You just need to make one. But if you mess up, then you can use the other ones. Alright, so I'm going to cut out one of my pies to create my design. So the design that's inside the pie shape has to be asymmetrical, which means one side cannot be the same as the other side. If it is, then your project is not going to look correct. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways how you should not do it. So asymmetrical means that one side needs to be different from the other. So if I put a circle on this side, I should not be putting a circle on this side, because this is symmetrical now. If I make a square and a square here, that's not the right way to do it. So I do not want your designs to look like this, okay? If you do that, it's going to be more difficult and it's not going to look right. So this is not what we're going to do. And another thing I do not want you to do is make your shapes teeny tiny, because if you make them teeny tiny, then it'll be difficult. We're going to be tracing this project a bunch of times, so if you make them too small, it's not going to work either. I'm throwing this out. So what I want is designs that are shapes, not just lines. If I just have lines, I'm just going to make some random lines here. When I color it, I will not be able to use lots of different colors. I can only use one color because everything's connected. So you have to make sure that you're making shapes. Alright, doesn't matter what the shapes are. Alright, so here's a shape. It connects to the edge of the pie and it makes a shape. They can also connect to each other. Alright, so this shape is going to connect to this one. So it doesn't matter what they connect to, but they have to connect. And let's go over here. If you make them overlap, go on top of each other, that also looks really nice. Yeah, let's make one more shape here, make it a little pointy shape. Alright. So you have to have shapes, they have to be asymmetrical, so one side is different than the other side. So this little shape is different from what's on the left side. And they're not too small, and they are shapes. So next thing we need to do is we need to trace it on the back. It's kind of hard to see, but if you put a white piece of paper under it, let me grab some paper, you'll be able to see this a little bit better. So I'm going to trace this design exactly the same way that I had it on the other side. They have like a little pointy shape here, right? So my design is the same on the front as it is on the back. Alright, and then when you're done tracing it, we're gonna scribble over it. When you trace it, make sure you use a dark color marker. So black, brown, purple. Don't use like yellow or pink. We're not going to be coloring these shapes in right now. I just want them to be outlined with a dark color marker.